So we just saw that you took a picture. If you want to scan it here, that's where you can check it out. Yep, just scan it right here. It's like a red carpet.
Okay, so
this one is if you just check
okay,
all
I can
these.
select it here. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to